Let me show you some of the pipe fitting clamps that I kept in my welding rig. I'm going to show you which ones I like the most, where you can buy them. I'm going to talk about how to use them and some of the disadvantages and disadvantages. This is the first one that I kept for many years. You can find this one in Tractor Supply in the welding section. So if you go to Tractor Supply, if you have one close by, stop. They're about $25 or so. I think I paid for this. They're pretty stout, pretty well built, and they work just like a vice grip. You pretty much open it and tighten it. Now they're designed from 1.5 inch to 2 inch. That's what the packaging says. But sometimes you can probably do 3 and sometimes even 4 inch pipe. And the way it works is, first you have to go ahead and get it next to your pipe, and you just tighten this back in right here, and you just snap it in. So if you're gonna be welding something together, like you're taking a test or something, you can pretty much just line it up, put it right next to each other, and bam, you can just get your wedge, spacing wedge, open it up or top it up, and your high-low looks pretty good. Now this one is very good. It's a very good, well, cheap clamp, but it'll last you a lot of years. But there's only so much you can do with it, right? You can probably get away with sometimes doing 4 inch, but for small pipe, this is perfect. So I highly recommend this pipe fitting clamp. Check it out. The other clamp that I kept in my welding rig was the Sawyer pipe fitting clamp. This is called the Welder's Third Hand. It's about $220 right now. I bought the original one before Sawyer bought them out. I think I bought it on eBay years ago, and let me show you what it comes with. So this right here works similar to one of these clamps over here, but there is a slight difference. This one pipe fits up to 4 inch pipe, from 1.5 to 4 inches, and they come with these little shoes right here. These shoes right here contour to the pipe itself, just like this one over here. As you can see, these are called the little shoes. That's this 4 inch, this 3 inch, and the other ones right here, the smaller ones, it's for a 2 inch and 1.5 inch. Let me assemble it for you. The Sawyer clamp, let's say you're going to be fitting a 2 inch pipe, and we'll try it on that coupon right there. So you would get your two little shoes out. Make sure you get the same ones, right? You got your 2 and 2. You set them aside. You would get your clamp, and you will start assembling it. Now these ones right here have little teeth, and all you would do is you would slide it in, ensuring that the 2 inch is on the inside. So that snaps in. You would get your other shoe and snap it in as well, and then you have your pins where you would keep it in place right there. So after you got it ready, it works in the same way as the vice grip, just like the other one. So you would get your coupon, your pipe, and you would kind of just put it on top, open it up till it's kind of loose, just a little bit snug, and then now you're ready to go ahead and fit your coupon or fit your pipe, whatever it is that you need. In this case, we're going to be putting these two. And there you have it. This works very good with straight pipe. As you can see, it'll get all the high-low out. Now you will encounter a minor issue if you have a fitting and a piece of pipe. Not all of the time, but sometimes. Let's say you have a 45, right? Or you have a 90, or you transition anything that's bigger into the other pipe, right? You have to make the inside smaller. Because it's bigger, it'll kind of throw off the high-low. So the way you adjust that is just by loosening it or tightening it. So make sure you pay attention, especially when it's a fitting to pipe. If it's straight pipe to pipe, you're not gonna have any issues. The clamp that I really love is this chain clamp right here. Now this right here was all bought separately. There are companies like the one that I mentioned before that does sell a version of this, right? There's many variations and many companies that sell these. I bought everything individually. These dogs, I bought them off of eBay. I can't find them anymore, but I'm sure companies sell them. And the way these work is they line up on the pipe. You have to put this on the side of the pipe, right? And then you tighten it with the clamp itself. and you just move these screws. It'll push the pipe over left and right wherever you need to. Now, this clamp right here, I bought it off of AutoZone. I think I paid $20 for it, but the chain is not long enough, so I had to buy two. And then I removed the pin and I made it longer so that I could fit up to 12-inch. And I did use this many times out in the field, in combination with another clamp that I don't have here right now, the Easy Clamp. Now the Easy Clamp is a clamp that comes in, and it's like a V. It comes with 3 points, and you open the top and then you put it on the pipe, you close it, and it has 3 little screws like this one where you can push the pipe over. That's a very good clamp, but I don't have it right now. But these right here, I've had them for so many years. I highly recommend them. Let me know which clamps you use, what your recommendations are, and which ones you don't think are worth the money. Drop it all in the comments. I hope this video helps you, and thank you for watching.